Hey guys, it's Vishal here back with another video. As per your requests, today I came with flyby sounds and advantages and disadvantages of installing custom exhaust. So let us start the video, guys. I have recorded flyby sounds, so I will recommend to view that with your earphones so that you can get a better clarity on the sound of this bike. So today we are going to discuss about my exhaust. So what is the installation process and how you can also install it. So the purchase link and all is given in the description. I have purchased it from Roar Exhaust. So their WhatsApp number and their Instagram ID I have given in the description, so you guys can check out. So the installation process is very simple. This is just play and plug method. So you have to remove your original exhaust and you have to fit this one. So only here you see there are two Allen key bolt will be there. That one you have to remove, and here you can see this one. This bolt, this one you have to remove, and here one bolt is there, this one you have to remove. If you remove these 4 bolts, means your stock exhaust will come out, and after that you will get this bent pipe. Along with, you can order any muffler you want. This is Leo Wins original carbon fiber exhaust. So just this is plug and play method. No need to cut your original exhaust. So now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of installing a custom exhaust on your bike. So not only on this bike, in any bike, if you install the custom exhaust, you will get some benefits and some demerits of that. So the first thing is let us just talk about advantages first. So the first advantage that you will get is obviously the better sound. Now what I can say is this is one of the sweetest sounding Apache in India. Why? Because this is the first Apache to get installed with this exhaust, with this muffler. Second advantage is your top speed. Definitely your top speed is going to increase after installing the custom exhaust. What I can say is I have felt some power has been increased. If you accelerate the bike, the torque has been increased in the bike. So that is the third advantage. And usually the top speed of the bike will be around 125 to 127 like that. Now it goes around 135, between 135 and 137 it goes. So these are the advantages of installing custom exhaust. So the first and the biggest disadvantage of installing custom exhaust is definitely your mileage is going to get dropped. It won't drop more than 3 km, but definitely it is going to drop between 1 to 2 kilometers. So the second disadvantage is you have to regularly check your engine oil also, because if you install custom exhaust, then definitely your engine oil will not last long. It won't last how much it used to last with the stock exhaust. So that also you have to keep in mind. And the third disadvantage is obviously the sound. Sound is also an advantage, and as well as it is also a disadvantage. Why? Because maybe in your area you can get challan based on the dB level of sound. If sound is more, definitely you are going to get challan. So that also you have to keep in mind. Always while choosing muffler, choose a muffler which is having sweet sound, not like very harsh to the ear. Or always I will prefer, if you guys are changing muffler, then always suggest bassy sound, because it does not irritate the people around you. So stay tuned in this channel, guys. If you have not seen my channel, then definitely you should see the channel. And what all modifications I have done in this bike, everything is there in my channel. So please watch that videos also. And recently I have installed sleeper clutch also. So, and I have given my first impression videos also on sleeper clutch. So make sure to watch that video also if you are going to plan to install sleeper clutch in your bike. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe the channel and like this video. It takes a lot of effort to make these kind of videos. And one more thing, all of you guys are asking me in Instagram why I am not making videos regularly. So basically I work full time in one MNC company, so this is just my hobby, guys. So please support with that. Definitely I will try to upload 2 videos in 1 week. So stay tuned in this channel, guys. Subscribe the channel, like the video if you like it, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.